The DePto County Sheriff's Department and CETA have issued a virus warning. This is in effect till 2:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: DePto. Please follow these instructions for your safety. Close all doors and windows. Lock all doors. Shut down all AC units and other ventilation units. Stock food and water. Find a low-down area in the basement, cellar, and the attic. If you see a figure in the corner of your eye, or in a room, do not investigate. As you may get infected and become sample X1182. Thank you for listening to Green Branch Television and Radio. Good night or day.